Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a package from Squishyholic. I had to redo this because I put Squishy Station Hong Kong, but it is really from Squishyholic, and this is an Ibloom package. I will link everything down below in the description box. I did pre-order this, and I got a 10% off code because it was pre-ordered, and it came as soon as they got the package. I'm with the boys right now, so sorry if there's like a little bit of chaos going on. You could see in the corner a little bit. So the first thing I got in this package was this extra. They've been giving a lot of these little mini sweet collections out as extras lately. And last time I got the cake slice, and this time I got this one. And I already have this one, so I'm going to be giving it to my mom. So thank you so much for that extra. It's super cute. And I did complete the whole set of these mini sweets. They're really adorable. And I really do recommend them. This one smells like floral soap. Next in this package, we got this adorable Mother Garden donut. And this character, I think, I have the cupcake version of it. This is the one inside of a donut. They have another color of it in a donut. They also have one inside of an ice cream cone. But I was only able to get the donut one because I only had like $8, $9 left at the time. And I added it onto my purchase. And it comes in this packaging. It's got it's clear, and it comes with little pink design around it. It's really pretty. It kind of reminds me of an Ibloom packaging. It doesn't come with the tag or anything. I thought maybe the tag fell off, but it does come with the ball chain. The next squishy I got is this Ibloom rabbit, and they have about maybe 5 or 6 of these designs, and these are really, really pretty. I believe they're the Angel Bunny Chikiris. You got the little rabbits on the side. And you got the Ibloom logo here. It's a clear plastic packaging with pink designs on it. And I chose this design because I thought it was the cutest. And also true to the Ibloom name. It smells like, I don't know, I just smell nail polish. I'm sorry, guys. And I'm still getting over a cold, so I can't smell the best right now, sorry. A little bit wrinkly, but super cute. Last but not least, I got these pull apart breads. The first one I got is the adorable Millie and Billy, and I wish it was Millie and Roxy because I have 2 gerbils named Millie and Roxy. And the concept of these are to pull them apart and share them with your friend. They each have a separate ball chain where you can, hang them. And if you could see here, pulling them apart, they're not really they're stuck together, basically. And I'm not going to be pulling them apart, obviously, because I'm not doing that. They're very slow rising. When I first got them, it was really cold out, and they were so slow rising. It looks like they're going to make more of them, because when you see on the back, you got one of this one. And they also come in brown color only, which were a couple dollars cheaper. But I wasn't fond of it, so I got the color ones only. And as you can see, they're very wrinkly. You can see it's very wrinkly, but very slow rising. It's not even rising. I actually took a thumbnail after I squished it, and in the thumbnail, they were still rising because they're so slow rising. So I did get the full set, and this is the bunny with the foxy, and that's the same one as this, obviously, just a bigger version of it. And the fox, my mom pointed out, is extremely wrinkled. As you can see, there's cracks in it, and I squished it a while ago. And the paint looks really thick, as you can see. And even on the ears, it looks like you painted 2 coats of nail polish on here, or 10, when you paint 10 coats of nail polish, how I do it, I paint 50 coats so I could just peel it off instead of having to use nail polish remover. That's how I actually like the thick nail polish, when you paint your nails 30 times, and it's real thick, and it's fun to rub and play with, and you could just peel it right off. I don't know, I'm really weird. If you guys do the same thing, let me know that I'm not alone in this craziness. But yeah, it kind of reminds me of painting a bunch of coats of nail polish, because the paint is on there very thickly. It just appears that way. And these 2 are together, and they're really cute. You can tell they're very slow rising. And like I said, the fox is very wrinkly. I love the concept, but somebody said they should be maybe Velcro or maybe a different way, because pulling these apart would destroy the squishy. And I'm not even going to entertain the idea because it's too crisp a packaging. I don't really want to open it because look how like this is like a firm line of stickiness, and opening this would probably like destroy me. But I really think that this right here would be really cute. And this one would be really cute, but oh, that's Billy. And this, I think the bear would be cute with maybe, not the lollipop girl, maybe the bear with the penguin, I think would be really cute, in my opinion. They should have it like where you can rip them apart like with Velcro, and you can like, you know, stick them together. Like you can rip them apart easily, and you can combine the rabbit with like Millie, and you can like combine them together and like re-stick them. That's what it should be. It should be like the share ones, like a friendship bracelet or a friendship necklace, and you can like combine them with any other ones. So you can buy like other sets, and you can combine them and have like sets of 2. They should have done it that way instead of like, okay, destroy the squishy and then you can't put them back together. It should be where you can get Foxy and you can put Foxy with Billy, or you can get Billy and put him with Roxy, and like, I don't know. It could have been done a lot better. It's a cute concept. The packaging is to die for. And yeah, I just really think it could have been done a little bit better. Let me know your thoughts on these in the description box. And I do want to see somebody pull them apart. So if you know anybody that's pulled them apart, please let me know. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about these. And I totally recommend them. I think they're adorable, but like I said, I've been opening a lot of squishies lately, but these Iblooms, they're like sealed perfectly, and like opening it would probably be like, it would just destroy me. Like it's just so crisp and so perfect. I just don't think I could do it. And Squishyholic, here is their logo. I will link them down below in the description box. I believe I'm posting this video tomorrow. So just so you know, Squishyholic is taking a break, I believe, like for a week or so. They're going on vacation or a holiday. So they are leaving. They're not shipping any packages out till like February something. I'll leave the details in the description box. And they are offering a 10% off coupon if you guys are interested in ordering, and they have like some discounts going on. You can order off their site during the holiday. I will leave all that information below in the description box. If you don't want to wait, their site will resume sometime in February. Like I said, all the information will be in the description box. This is not sponsored. I just really like these site. They are very responsive. They're super kind, and I 10/10 recommend them. What do you guys think of this shirt? I just found it in my room. Wild hearts cannot be broken. So true. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.